Okay, Sophie, first the oil. Up.
That good?
A little bit. Up. Okay. Then beat the. Don't forget to turn on the.
Which one? Medium?
Yeah. Push it. No.
Which one?
The knob.
What knob?
Yung switch nga. Yan. Push it. Yan. See? Like that. Then turn it. Okay. Okay. Spread the oil. Okay.
There's still one right there.
Sige na. Beat the egg. Ganun. Yan. Put Parmesan cheese instead of salt.
What?
Parmesan cheese. Oh, the other one, the other way. Yeah.
That one's big.
Sige pa.
That's a lot.
Sige pa, cheese yan eh.
Anyway.
Ako na. Last one.
Mix. We still put that on the egg. How Sophie gets? Done. Is it done?
No. Oh, sige. Hayaan mo lang. Leave it like that.
It looks like teeth.
Hindi pa mainit.
That's all is left.
Meron pa yan.
That's more.
Sige, tama na yan. Tama na yan.
Little bit more.
No, that's enough. Ay, no! Sige. Mix it. Check if this one is heat already or hot.
Hot.
Not yet.
Where's the flip?
Ayun na.
Where?
Ayun na.
Let me get this one because that one has holes.
Okay.
And tell us there's a lot of bubbles. It's done.
Hindi, basta. Lagyan mo pa ng cheese.
More cheese.
Parmesan cheese.
Yes, that's that.
Tama na. Tama na.
I put too much.
It's okay.
Oh, it's hot. Done?
Sige. Wait lang. Hindi pa mainit to.
Where is the paper towel? I'm gonna get one.
Paper towel? Okay. Sige.
Just one piece. One piece.
Sige. Ang lagay mo dyan? Para saan?
For the fork.
For the pork?
Yeah.
You will put the pork there?
Yeah.
Sige.
not
Sige, tingnan mo muna kung mainit na yung pan.
It is.
Hmm.
Now can I put it in?
Sige. Sige, pour it. Up.
I think it's not on.
Huwag masyado mataas. Okay na. Hintayin mo, wait mo until mag-cook.
I do not need this after all. Come on, my feet.
Sige na. Takpan mo. Huwag na, dyan lang yan muna. Mamaya na lang
I'm
alisin.
putting them here
Sige.
so I have more space. Is it ready? That's hot a little bit.
Hindi pa daw to yan. Tingnan mo.
It's so smooth. It looks like a pancake. There's smoke. Put on the ear. Okay.
Ayan, yung light.
Flip it.
No, not yet.
Almost done.
Hindi pa.
It's a little bit hot. If it's hot, then it's cooked.
Pagka medyo white na, yun eh.
There's a little bit.
Kasi nga tulang yun eh. Sige na, i-flip mo na. Kaya mo. Ayusin mo yung hawak.
Oh no. I have to do this first. So I can get it out. Okay, ready? What's that from this side?
Be careful. Be careful.
Oh, that's so close.
Oh.
Oh no, this is the bad angle.
Abot mo ate yung isa. Ayan.
I need two so I can put
Dali.
it.
Baka mag-burn. Sige, I'll help you.
Put that one.
Quickly.
Oh no!
It's okay. And then, what's next? Anong prepare mo? Kuha ka ng plate, dali.
Okay.
Plate. Ayun, pwede na yun, yung bilog. The round one.
What?
Paper towel para hindi yung oil
It
wala.
already smells good.
Yeah. Paper towel para hindi
Two shapes.
yung oil. 2 pieces.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you don't see it. Okay, probably done.
Probably done.
Yeah.
Check it. Do you have pen?
Why?
How can you check it? Sige na. Kahit na maliit lang. Sige. Ayan. Turn up the ano muna. Okay.
Turn that on.
Mamaya na. Be careful.
Oh, that's not that hot.
Sige.
Yeah, in the end.
Hmm.
Oh, that's so cool.
Mainit pa yun. Sige na. Be careful.
Done.
Okay, what are you gonna do next? This one?
This one.
Sige, mamaya na. Okay.
I'm gonna put.
Okay. Done?
Bye bye. I want